What are you doing? What are you doing over here? What are you looking at? Are you looking for dinosaur bones? Go!
Yes, me!
You? What'd you find?
Oh, water. Exactly. A circle.
Oh, you want to recycle it? Good idea. Throw it, yeah. That looks like a good place for it, right?
Raptor.
You're looking for raptors? Do you see any raptors out here? Wow, what'd you find? Oh, what happened? Whoa, what do you got over there?
Apple. Yes, me.
Hey Tucker, those are for the range. We have to bring them all back. You gotta get to the top and get the blue one.
I do.
Up there. What number is that?
4.
Got it. Do you see the block? Where's that blue block?
T-Rex. And I'm going to fly.
What are you looking for up there?
I dig it.
Are you digging it?
Dinosaur bones.
You're looking for dinosaur bones, all right.
Switch. I'm sliding.
Whoa, you are!
I know. I'm sliding.
Can you make it down? Can you make it down there without falling?
Oh, no.
Oh, you just bit it.
I'm sliding.
Oh, you got it. Good recovery. Can you make it?
Help me.
Help us. We're trying to climb up. Good job. Hold my hand. Come on, let's go to the truck. T-Rex, run! Run! It's coming for us. Run! Are you tired?